Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing our RAK LED magnetic pickup tool. This is the flashlight itself here, and we're going to be unboxing it. So, see what it looks like on the inside. So over here you got your batteries, and you got the flashlight itself, of course. We'll pull the flashlight out and we'll kind of demonstrate what it's like. This is the little button. Whew, sorry about that. Then, hold on. Look how far that can go. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Look how far that is. Yeah, I can literally... Oh, sorry. I can literally see everything. That is cool. Thank you for Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching. You can order this flashlight on www.rakprotools.com. That's www.rakprotools.com.